Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hi and welcome to the Kids Academy chess course. My name is Robert Lazorchak and I'm a certified teacher and I hold a master's degree in teaching. I also have international and national chess teaching certifications from the United States Chess Federation and FIDE. My players have won state and national championships and I will be your guide as we master this great game.
This story happened so long ago that no one can remember the year. In those old days, India was often attacked by enemies. One evening, the ruler of the country, called Raja, was sitting in the garden with his vizier. Raja was thinking about a coming battle. What are these amazing figures? Why are they of different colors? Why have they formed ranks? Have you come up with a new pastime, vizier? It's a fascinating game, master. But it's not just fun. It will teach you how to map plans, win battles, and perform heroic deeds. Just remember that your intentions must be pure, and your thoughts must be sharp. This way, your army will become impregnable. Will it always be like this? It will always be like this, master. We'll call this game chess. It combines the power of science, art, and sports. The one who masters it becomes invincible.
Chess seems to be an amazing game. Is everything the wise vizier told us really true? People have been playing chess for more than 1,000 years, and yet they are not tired of it. So it must be true. We should check everything ourselves. Kids Academy has a chess class. Let's go there! Wow. Where can we find the chess class? The Academy is so huge. One could get lost in it. I think we should go to the art studio. Because the vizier said that chess is art. He also mentioned sports. Let's go to the gym. It's not the strongest, but the smartest who wins in chess. Let's look for the chess class in the science rooms. To play chess, one needs wit, will, and imagination. Follow me.
Hi!
Hi. We want to know what chess is. Is it a sports game? Or is it art? Why do both kids and adults enjoy playing it? What is its secret?
Come inside. In Kids Academy, you will learn a lot of things about chess. But it requires patience and a quick mind.
We are ready to learn, always! In the next episode, we'll get to know the basics of the chess game, the board where the battles take place, and the soldiers of the chess armies. We'll also find out why the game is called chess, and why it most often ends with a checkmate exclamation. Stay with us!
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.